Okay, I'm standing in LG's private space with, guess what, a brand new OLED rollable, but this guy, he rolls down from the ceiling, basically a box that you would install. So the technology is similar to what we had on the last rollable, but not exactly the same. LG hasn't told me exactly what it is. No speakers included, so you'd have to add those. Roll it up, roll it down. It's super thin. Just have to build in this in your house. It's coming out first half of this year. It's a gorgeous picture. This is kind of the dream, right? This is the idea. This is what we're supposed to have for our high resolution entertainment systems. A display that basically rolls out of the ceiling like a projector screen. And when you're done, you just roll it away. Bye, screen. Bye-bye. See ya. Takes a little while. Nothing underneath here. Perfect.